Hello, my name is Guy-Pierre, and I will be showing how to install an iPhone application based on an IPA file. This is for Darrel and whoever wants to look at this video. First, you need to have an IPA file. So if it's sent through a zip file, you will need a program such as WinZip or 7-zip or any of those application on your PC to unzip the file. You will need a Windows PC if you're going to unzip the file. But if the IPA is available, here is how you can install it. What I did, I placed it on my desktop to make sure I can show you in an easy way. And then I open the iTunes program. And what I'll do is I'll install the IPA to my list of applications. So in iTunes, I go to the app section. So I just went here and I chose apps. Currently in iTunes, under my apps, I don't have onex mobile. Actually, this application is just called mobile in this case. In the patch, it's called mobile, but it's the same thing. It's the future version, or at least what it will be based on. I also set my application list to app list, just so I have an easy to read list. So the next thing I will do is install the app. So from the file menu, I go add file to library. And from my desktop, I look for the IPA file, which is this one right here. iPhone, UC Commander, IP Office, all that. So that IPA file, I click open, and automatically the the new app will be added to the bottom of the list here. So it's called mobile, as you can see. The next step is to plug in my iPhone, or in my case, an iPad. So I plug it in and the icon appears automatically here. So just a reminder, make sure you don't plug it in at the beginning. It makes things easier. So just plug it in as a second step once the application is in your list of apps. So I will ignore this. It's a good idea to make sure your iPad or your iPhone is on the latest release, but I will ignore it for now. So now I will click on my iPad icon or iPhone icon. And if I look under apps, I want to show you that I don't have the onex mobile already. I have a few applications here that looks like onex mobile, but it's not the one. And normally it would appear here on the fourth screen because the rest is full. So once I install it, it will appear just after this VNC viewer, so it should be right here. So I'll go back to the app section, but just by clicking this three dots and going to apps. If I go back to the bottom, the mobile application is still there, ready to be installed. So what I do to install it, I just click on it and I lift it. As soon as I drag it, I see all the devices and I only have one, so I will drag it on top of my iPad, and once I release it, automatically it says syncing iPad and it installs on my iPad. So the icon just appeared on my actual iPad, so I can see the application installed. Now the next step will be to go to the iPad and under apps, if I now look on page 4, I don't have the icon yet. So I will sync my iPad to sync my iPad. And now if I look on page 4, I see the mobile app is installed. And that's it. Enjoy. Have a nice weekend.